I came with analytical puzzles, which are very useful for bank exams and UPSC. Let's see an example which explains the concept clearly. So see the example here. So what is given information here? Read the following information carefully and answer the questions given below. So here one question they given and some information given. This is the information. Four young men, Raj, Sundar, Tarun and Upal are married to Rekha, Sunita, Tara and Uma. Four persons we have and they married to four women. And they are living in four different cities. Rampur, Sanchi, Tirupati and Udhampur. Four persons, four women and four different places. And they gave four conditions. The first letter of the names of men, their wives and cities is not the same. Second one, Sunita is not Raju's wife. Third one, Sundar does not live in Rampur, Udhampur and is not Rekha's husband. Upal and Tara do not live in the Sanchi. Which pair given below is the right combination of wife and the city of Tarun? Who is the wife of Tarun and city? And which city he is living? This is the question. Options given: Sunita, Tirupati, Tara, Sanchi, Uma, Rampur, Rekha, Sanchi. This is the example we are seeing here. How to solve here? So four conditions given. Those four conditions we have to use. So let us see the solution. So to solve these questions, you have to understand this one. You have to analyze this information. After analyzing everything, you have to maintain a table. Vertically, I took husband names Raj, Sundar, Tarun, Upal. In horizontally, two columns I have. One is wives, one is cities. Wives Rekha, Sunita, Tara, Uma. Cities Rampur, Sanchi, Tirupati, Udhampur. Now go to first condition. If there is no relation, put into mark. If there is relation, put tick mark. So first condition, the first letter of names of men and their wives and cities is not the same. So Raj first letter R, Rekha first letter R. So these two no relation. These two does not have any relation. So put into mark. Same way, Raj will not live in Rampur. Why? Because first letter R and R. Same way, Sundar will not. Sundar and Sunita, those two are not wife and husbands. Same way, Sundar will not live in Sanchi. Tarun won't marry Tara. Same way, Tarun will not live in Tirupati. Upal, no relation with Uma. He will not live in Udhampur. This is the information we have by first condition. Second one, Sunita is not Raju's wife. So Raj and Sunita put into mark. There is no relation. Third condition, Sundar does not live in Rampur. So Sundar you go. This is the second one. Sundar will not live in Rampur. So put into mark. And he is not living in Udhampur. So put into mark. So definitely Sundar will live in Tirupati. Once Sundar live in Tirupati, Raj will not live in Tirupati. Upal also will not live in Tirupati. So this entire column put into marks. Next condition, Upal and Tara do not live in Sanchi. So Upal will not live in Sanchi. Tara also not living in Sanchi. But we can't establish relation here. So please underline this. Further it will useful. So Upal is not living in Sanchi, Tirupati, Udhampur. Then definitely he will live in Rampur. Since Upal living in Rampur, Tarun will not live in Rampur. So this is the information we got. From here we understand that Sundar is living in Tirupati, Upal is living in Rampur. Next, from this we have to go with, we have to find out the remaining relationships. So how to find out? And third point, if you observe me, Sundar is not Rekha's husband. So Sundar and Rekha, there is no relation, put into mark. After this, by referring step 1, condition 1 and condition 3, we have to find out remaining relationships. So coming to Rekha, Rekha will not live in Rampur. Why? Because R and R, first letters. So if you put here, she will live in Rampur. So Upal is not husband of Rekha. So definitely Tarun is the husband of Rekha. Then Upal is not husband. So put into mark. Okay. Once Tarun is married to Rekha, means Tarun is husband of Rekha. He can't be husband of Sunita. He can't be husband of Uma. Next, Sunita. Coming to Sunita, look at column wise. Raj did not marry Sunita. Sundar also not. Tarun also not. There is no relation with Raj, Sundar, Tarun. Then definitely Sunita is the husband of Upal. So Tara is not wife of Upal. So you can put into mark. So this is the information we got here. Next, look at Tara. As we know, Tara will not live in Tirupati. Why? Because first letter T and T. Since Sundar is living in Tirupati, so Tara will not live in Tirupati. So Sundar and Tara are not husband and wives. So definitely Tara is the wife of Raj. So Tara is not wife of Sundar, put into mark. So Rekha, Sunita, Taras are not wives. Then Uma is the wife of Sundar. So you can put into mark here. So R and T. They said Tara will not live in Sanchi. Tara will not live in Sanchi from point 4. So Tara will not live in Sanchi means Raj also will not live in Sanchi. So Raj will live in Udhampur. Okay. Now Tarun. No one. Raj, Sundar, Upal are living in Sanchi. So definitely Tarun will live in Sanchi. So Tarun will not live in Udhampur. So in this way you have to fill this, you have to establish the relations from each person to wife and cities. The 4 young persons to wives and cities. If you establish relation like this, then we can answer questions very easily. From here, what we got? So Raj and Taras. So Raj, Tara. Next, Sundar, Uma. Sundar and Uma. Next, Tarun and Rekha. Tarun and Rekha. Finally, Upal and Sunita. Now asking question, what is the right combination of wife and city of Tarun? Tarun is for Rekha. Tarun's wife is Rekha. So definitely option A is not correct, option B is not correct, option C is not correct, option D is the correct. So Tarun and Rekha, though these two couples are living in Sanchi. So Rekha Sanchi is the correct one. So option D is the correct one. So hope you understand this puzzle.